If you are a small business owner, trust me, you don't have any excuse for not running a sales conversions ad, because most of the complaints I used to get is, oh, I want to run the sales conversions ad, I don't have a website, how will I install Pixel, I don't do this, I don't do that, so because of that I can't run a sales conversions ad. Hi guys, I'm Olushola Daniel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to run a sales conversions ad to your WhatsApp, either your WhatsApp, your Messenger, or your Instagram DM. So simply you navigate your way down to your ads manager environment like this. Then you click on create. So the next thing you want to do is select the sales campaign objective. As you can see, it says find people likely to purchase your product or service, conversions, catalog, messengers, and so on. So what you want to do next is you click on continue, but you can still name your campaign here. You can either do it here or do it when you click on the continue button. So name your campaign. I always advise to name it, give it a name you can easily remember, and you can tag it with a date. Let me say, in this case, let me say sales sales campaign testing. Let me say August 12th. So I decided to write this in short like this. In your own case, you can write it in full. Probably you are selling a bag, selling a shoe. You can say a particular shoe campaign. Then you put the dates. You can say black shoe campaign, Gucci shoe campaign, and all of those. So then the ad set name, you can just leave that. The campaign is a concern. So click on continue this way. So guys, we've arrived. This is the campaign level. Like I said earlier, you actually don't have any excuse for not running a sales conversions ad. So now Facebook has given advertisers the option to advertise directly to their WhatsApp DM or their Instagram DM or even the Messenger app. So the next thing you want to do is at the campaign level, we've selected a campaign objective, which is the sales campaign objective. Then we have nothing much to do here. Just go to the next level, which is the ad set level, where you set your ad. That's the ad settings. So here we are. This is the website, your conversion location. We have website, we have app, we have website and app, we have messaging apps, we have call. So our concern here should be the messaging app. So now it's asking us the conversion event. Let it just be purchase. Yes, purchase like this. Then one thing is, make sure you've already connected your Facebook page to your WhatsApp business. That is very, very important. I think I have a video on that. You can check that out as well. I have a video on that, how to connect your Facebook page to your WhatsApp business, how to connect your Instagram account to your WhatsApp business, your Instagram professional account particularly, not just ordinary accounts. So you should have connected it before going through this process, because it's going to request for your WhatsApp number, WhatsApp business number particularly. So I want to believe that has been sorted out, and if not, just pause the video and go find the video, do that and come back here. So what you want to do is select your conversion event, which we've done, and let it be purchased, because that is the main thing. Okay, now the next thing is you select the particular Facebook page. In your own case, you might have more than one Facebook page, so you select this one as selected the page I want to use automatically. Now it depends on where you want the conversions to take place. Do you want it on your messenger? Do you want it on your Instagram? Do you want it on your WhatsApp, or do you want it to happen in one of these conversion places, conversion location? So you might want it to you might want the sales to happen on your WhatsApp, you might want it in your Instagram DM or your messenger, you understand, and you might want to use the three messaging apps. You might want to use the three. So in this case, let me use the WhatsApp alone. So this is it. And for you to use the Instagram conversion location, I hope you know you have to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page. I also have a video on that. You can check that out. I have a video on that as well. So but in this video, I'm particular about Facebook sales ad to your WhatsApp business. So I'm selecting WhatsApp now. As you can see, it has automatically highlighted the number I connected with my Facebook page, the WhatsApp number, WhatsApp business, particularly WhatsApp business number. So it has automatically highlighted it. So you can just scroll down, then we do the necessary things. I think we should be used to this by now. Then the budgets, as you know me, I do between 3k and 5k, but in this case let me do 4,000. That is 4,000 daily budgets. Schedule dates is starting now. This time the end dates, we don't need to select the end dates, but the ad will run continuously and you have to keep checking on your ad. So then you go to the audience. It depends on what you are selling. Actually, it depends on what you are selling. So in case you have a saved audience, you come to saved audience like this, then you select among the saved audiences you have. As you can see, I have them in bunch here, but I'll be creating one. So you scroll down, we are the demographic targeting now, where we select our target location. It has to be people living in this location, not people living or recently in this location, people living in this location. So the country, if you have the capacity to deliver all across the states, then you leave it as Nigeria. But if you know you don't have that capacity, then you have to be location specific. So but in this case, I'll be leaving it as Nigeria, and it even depends on the product you're selling anyways. It depends on the product you're selling. So the age, now the age, you know what you're selling, you know which age range would need your products, but I'll be selecting the working class age, which is around 22, 23, but I'll be going with 22 here. 22 to let's say 60, let's say 60. So gender, it depends on the product you are selling as well. If the product you are selling is gender specific, then you want to choose. You understand, you can't be selling wigs now and you are targeting men, although you might have some men showing interest in this. Probably they want to get it for their wives, for their girlfriends, for their side chicks, so to say. So but honestly, you know, men don't do wigs, so you just have to be gender specific. Well, if you are selling a unisex product, then you should target all genders. So in this case, I'll be leaving it as all genders. Now you scroll down, this is the psychographic targeting, where you target your audience based on their interests, their behaviors, and the actions they have taken so far. So as you can see, you can start targeting them from here. Is either you do the broad targeting, which I call the zero targeting, or you target specifically, that is the stack up interests audience. So you select them based on interests. Let's say you are targeting people that loves shoe, ladies shoe. Let's type it there. Let's say ladies shoe. No. Let's say it should be fashion and accessories, fashion and style, interests, fashion and makeup, all these things are ladies stuff. So once you're able to select one, you can click on suggestions. Then Facebook starts suggesting for you fashion accessories. Those that are interested in online shopping, make sure it has interests like this. As you can see, it's showing interest like this. So you should be targeting them based on their interest. Online shopping, those interested in jewelry, of course. If you are interested in jewelry apparel, you should be interested in ladies shoe. You target them. Clothing, you can say, I think I saw something like luxury goods. You understand? So you select them based on what you think their interest could be, what you think expensive taste. Yes, 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 yes. Shopping, yes. So I'll be leaving it at this. So in your own case, you should know what you are selling. You should make sure you find time to do the needed research on your audience. You do your customer avatar. You should try to list out the interest of your target customer, your target audience. So that is that about the targeting. So I'll be scrolling down. You can decide to save the audience if you like. You can save it. So this is the placement where you want your ad to appear. So the Advantage Plus placement would place your ad on every platforms Facebook owns, or every Meta platform, which is the Instagram, the Facebook, and the Messenger, including their partners, audience network, including their partners. So, but if you don't want your ad to be placed on all their platforms, you can decide to select yourself. You just click on the manual placements, then you start selecting. But I don't think the Messenger placement is not available for WhatsApp particularly, as you can see. So if you want to be particular or specific with your placements, then you can, let's say you want to place it on Facebook alone, then you turn off the audience network, turn off Instagram. Then even within the Facebook, you might decide not to show your ad in some places, so you can select them. As you see, we have an article, we have search, we have this search is not really relevant. You can remove it. So and one thing is, this your page now. If you eventually advertise with this page and they click on the CTA action button, call to action button, it brings them directly to your WhatsApp. And in this Instagram as well, I want to believe your WhatsApp business is already connected to your Instagram, because once they click on the what's it called, on the call to action button, it should bring them from Instagram to your WhatsApp business directly. I hope you understand that. So it's going to bring them from Instagram to your WhatsApp directly, because you've selected only WhatsApp to be your conversion location. So adding being you selected Instagram as well, probably when they click on your ad, it's going to take them to your Instagram DM. But you have selected your conversion location to be WhatsApp. So once they click on the Instagram, it takes them to your WhatsApp. But in this case, I'll be leaving it as Facebook. You understand? So once you are done selecting your placement like that, then you want to the optimization should be for conversations. Just leave it conversations, but you can decide to change it to conversions. But the only thing is you'll be charged more. And in these conversions now, Facebook would send people that are more likely to convert to your WhatsApp DM. You understand? But you'll be charged more. But these conversations now, Facebook would leave it open to you. Facebook would bring high volume of people to your WhatsApp, so you'll be the one to do the sales closing at your hand. You understand? So the difference between these two is just that here you get people that are more likely to buy. Here you get people that are more likely to buy and more of people that are more likely to ask you questions. So you should be a sales expert, not really a sales expert. You should know your onions on closing customers, how to close them. You understand? It's actually not a big deal. The only thing they need is you tell them about the products. You just your honest recommendation. If you think the product is good for them, then you tell them the things you have about the product, the features of the product, the benefits, all those kind of things. So you just have to do the work at your own hand to make sure you close them here. So but the conversions, they will charge you more, and they would bring people that are likely to convert on your WhatsApp DM. So you can optimize for conversions, you can optimize for conversations, but in this case I'll be optimizing for conversions. So the next thing is we are done on this level. You go to the hard level where you select your ad creatives. So we are here already, guys. Now you can create your ad, you can use an existing post, so it depends, but in this case I'll be creating an ad. So you scroll down to add media, select, let me use select add image. Let me add image. I don't really have okay, let me select one of these things, one of my courses. Let me select this, click on next. So it's going to show you different placements, how it's going to look like. This is it. Then you click on next. In your own case, it might tell you this the creative you chose might not be compatible with some platforms. So in that case, what you need to do is you can just change it. If you are using video or videos, you can decide to change it to an image for those placements that are complaining. You understand? So but in this case I have no issue. Click on next, optimize, allow enhancements. Done. So we are done. You can actually select more than one image. That's if you are using what's it called, dynamic creatives, but that's not even the objective of this video. So we are at the primary text level, which is where you type in your primary text, your hard copy. So it shouldn't be too long. You can make it short, explanatory, and punchy. So it's what will pull them in. So whatever it is you put here, the image, which is your ad creative, stops them in their tracks to want to look at your primary text. The images stops them to look at your primary text, which is your hard copy. Then your hard copy, if catchy enough, would pull them into your sales page. Now you see how the sequence is from your catchy image to your punchy headline, then to your killer sales page, something like that. So let me go over that again. From your catchy ad creative, either video or an image, to your punchy ad copy, which is your primary text and your headline, then to your killer sales page. So the ad copy could be do I need to type anything here? I just want to make it quick. Let me say and I don't like to type here because it drags. I can say end your advertising struggle online with this new Facebook ad toolbox that reveals everything you need to run a successful and profitable Facebook ad in one afternoon. Then you can say this is not the best copy I can write, then you can say click the learn more button to jump in. Then you can decide to add the link, the website or the sales page link, and even in this case we are not using a sales page, so we're actually using WhatsApp. But in case we are using a website, I'm just saying, then you include the link, or in this case you can just include your WhatsApp link here. So I hope you should have created your link, a message that will bring them directly to your WhatsApp DM. So you can, rather than saying click the lemon button to jump in, you can say click the WhatsApp button for inquiry or something like that. You understand? Click the WhatsApp button for more info, something like that. Then you can include your link, link. Yes, you can include the link here. So I don't know if I should show us how to go about that. So you can just leave it like that, since the call to action itself is send WhatsApp message. As you can see, send WhatsApp message. So now the headline will be, you can say sign up now, or you can say increase your sales with this, or let me not say with this, let me just say with Facebook ad. Increase your sales with Facebook ad. Description is not really important. Then don't need this. Optimize for text for persons. No, the call to action is send WhatsApp message. So now you want to create a message template. So this is where you put something like the questions they are likely to ask, like you type it and you give the answers as well. So let's try to create one. Click on edit like this. Text, hi, please let us know how we can help you. This will be the default message they will get once they enter your DM. So the first question could be, can I learn more about your about, or you can say, can I learn more about this? You understand? Then the second question could be, can this work for my kind of business? You understand? So it's because I'm using a digital product. If it were to be a physical product, then say you are selling a shoe, like I said earlier, you can say can I get size 40 something? You understand? Or can I get the black? You understand? Or which color do you have? You understand? You can just put some questions they are likely to ask you. You put it there. They are like pre-created questions. So you type in the questions like that and you save it. You click on save and finish. You understand? Just click on save and finish. As you can see, it has been created. Welcome message. So this is the message you'll be selecting. Then you scroll down. What else do you need to do? Okay, you don't have anything to do again. So that is basically that about setting up a sales conversions ad to your WhatsApp DM directly. So the same thing applies to sending it to your Instagram DM as well. It's as simple as that. the only thing you have to do is you change the conversions location to Instagram, or you can have it to be Instagram and WhatsApp, or Messenger, Instagram and WhatsApp. So it's as simple as that. Let's go back to the ad level. So that is basically it, guys. That is basically it. So once you are done, make sure you are not having any error message, you are not having any warning message. As you can see, we were able to set this up without no errors. So make sure you are not having any error. So because if you publish with errors, you are likely to get your Facebook account banned or your ad account restricted, and that will be an issue for you. So that's it. Make sure you set it up without no problem, then you publish. In a few hours your ad will be reviewed and approved. Then you start getting messages. Messages that are likely to convert, leads that are likely to convert, customers that are likely to buy, that are most likely to buy from you. So that is that about that, guys. That is how to go about setting up a sales conversions ad to your WhatsApp DM, even if you don't have a website. There's no excuse, even if you don't have a website. So guys, with that, I'll be coming to the end of this video, and make sure you're always having a great time. Make sure you put these things into practice. I remain Olushola Daniel. Do have a good time once again.